In this video, we are going to talk about new concept of Ichimoku and advanced Ichimoku strategies. Here we are going to change our aspect as a trader to a hunter. For this purpose, we are going to change the names of the Ichimoku line's name. The prey obviously is the market last price. Then, we need a hunter, which in this strategy is Kaijinsen. As in nature, a professional hunter is who waits patiently and calmly for his prey to come nearby. The more Kaijinsen line is flat and calm, the more powerful it becomes. In other words, flat Kaijinsen absorbs price to itself. Tenkan-sen is the hound and would help in the hunting process. As demonstrated, by first close of a candle between Tenkan-sen and Kaijinsen, after a cross of Tenkan-sen with price and a flat Kaijinsen, it is very possible that the price would reach Kaijinsen. This means our price as a prey would be brought to hunter by its hound. As discussed in previous episode, Ichimoku is derived from price action concept, and in here, also existing resistance and support zones would come in handy to analyze and predict better. In other words, overlap of resistance and support zones with this strategy is much more efficient. If Tenkan-sen and Kaijinsen are flat and overlap on each other, there is a balance in the market, sellers and buyers have found a fair price, and in higher time frame, probably there is price action zone. In other words, the hunter and hound are taking a break, but after this calm and flat overlap bends towards the price, the hunter and hound will chase the prey. Market will begin its trend and the price will accelerate. This is it, guys, for this episode of Smart Money Atlas. If you enjoyed this episode, please feel free to like, subscribe, and remember to watch our other videos to better understanding of the concept.